Hey there, I'm Ken Button. I am the co-founder and CEO of ContractSafe. I'm an attorney and a former general counsel and a longtime ACC member. Thank you for taking a little bit of time to learn more about ContractSafe. We're the easy and affordable contract management solution. I know there's a lot of solutions out there and they all claim that they're easy, but we really are. Thank you for taking the time just to listen and understand why that is. So, let me tell you a little bit about our background. So, the way that we started this business is that we had these pain points ourselves and we couldn't find a solution to help us. At our last company, which was an operationally complex business, we didn't have any kind of a point solution to help us store and manage all of our contracts and other legal documents. And so we were just kind of getting by with this kludge of manual processes. We were trying to get everything together into folders in a shared drive. We were trying to keep information and dates in a spreadsheet. We were emailing stuff all over the place. And we had outgrown all of that. We couldn't find things. The shared drive had become the shared drive of chaos. We were missing dates, and that had real dollars associated with it. And when things were in flight, we had no idea where they were, what stage they were in, et cetera. So I finally got fed up enough to go look for a better solution for us. And I was really surprised that I couldn't find anything that was right sized for us. There's a lot of solutions out there. If you just Google contract management software, it's sort of overwhelming just how much stuff there is. But if you really dig in and look at the solutions in some detail, what you find is that virtually all of them are very different than ContractSafe. They're these really big industrial grade enterprise scale solutions that are intended to automate the whole contract generation process at scale. And so if you're a really big organization and you do thousands and thousands of contracts and you have a big legal team, so you need a lot of automation and complexity, okay, then you might need one of those big solutions. And it would make sense for you to invest all of the time and the effort to implement one of those. But that was not me. I didn't have the time or the budget or the patience to do all that. I just needed something that was quick and easy. And it didn't exist at the time. And that's why we founded ContractSafe, to provide that solution to the market, something that is refreshingly easy. So that's a lot of me talking, but don't just take my word for it. Go out and look and see what our customers have to say. We have over 1,200 customers all over the world. And I'm really proud to say that we get unbelievable reviews and ratings from our customers. You can go onto our website at contractsafe.com to see our testimonials and more information about this. I also welcome you to go look at the third-party sites like Capterra or G2 Crowd. You'll see lots of great reviews and ratings for us, specifically for small and mid-sized companies, and also specifically focused on how easy we are to use and how easy we are to do business with. All right, so let me show you just a little bit about our features, and then I'll dive in and give you a quick demo of the site. So the bedrock, the foundation of contract management are the fundamental things that every organization should have. A single source of truth where all of your contracts and other documents are searchable so you can find things quickly. Good compliance tracking, particularly around dates with automated email reminders for your dates. And of course, reporting. Those are the basics. Of course, we do those things, but we also have other workflow features that can be helpful to you and to a lot of organizations. One thing we hear from a lot of our customers, particularly in-house legal teams, is that they need a good organized way to receive requests from their organization. Right now, people are just throwing stuff over the wall at them, often by email, and that's not very organized. So we have a feature that we call intake forms, where you can really easily wire up nice bespoke forms that you would use to receive information and requests from your organization. We also have templates. That's where you can wire up your form agreements and then use that really quickly to generate draft agreements, make that self-service to yourself and to your colleagues. And of course, we have approval routing, and we have our own e-sign feature. So you can get contracts e-signed directly from your account with us. We also are an integration partner with DocuSign. And so if you're a DocuSign customer, don't worry, we've got you covered too. All right, enough about that. Let me show you the site here and give you a quick tour. I just need to switch over to this page. All right, so what you're seeing here is the first of 3 main pages in our solution. And you can think of them as high, medium, and low. So this is called the dashboard. This is the high-level summary of your whole portfolio with us. At the top, you can see all of your contracts organized by folders, or if you prefer, by tags or counterparties. And you can configure this any way you'd like with as many folders and subfolders as you'd like. Down below, you have a nice flash report of all your upcoming dates. In the top right, you can see what contracts are pending approval. Below that are all your saved reports. We call those saved views. And of course, there's a full audit history that you can see right on this page. All of our accounts are ready to go out of the box. So there's nothing to install. You can be up and running literally in minutes. And there's no technical skills needed to do anything within the site. And then finally on this page, our pricing is a bit unique. We do not charge by the seat or by the user. All of our plans include unlimited users, and every user has role-based access. All right, so that's the first page, the dashboard. Let's go to the second page, the contract list. And fundamentally, this is just like it sounds. This is a list of all of your stuff, all of your contracts and other legal documents all in one place. This is that single source of truth. And the key here is that everything is searchable. So even if you give us scanned documents, which would not be searchable if you have them saved locally on your computer or on your network drive, we will automatically run those through OCR, which pulls all the text out and makes them full text searchable. So it's super easy for you and others on your team to find information when you need it. All you need to do is go to this search bar in the top right and search just like you would do a Google search. And you immediately get back all the contracts that that have that information in them. And so super easy to find the answers on the fly. And then the rest of this page is where you organize all of your information and report out. And it's intentionally built to look and act like a spreadsheet for ease of use because people are already comfortable with spreadsheets. So why reinvent the wheel and make them learn some whole new fancy solution? This way your people can come in, they can get started without any special training. So just like any spreadsheet, you can see whatever columns, whatever information you want. You can sort these columns in either direction to organize the information. And importantly, you can filter by one or more filters to see subsets of contracts. So you can filter by party. Show me everything that I have with a certain party on the fly. But that's just the beginning. You can filter by where things are in your approval processes, like what's out pending approval, what's out awaiting e-signature. You can filter by dates, like say termination date, by folders, by tags, and by any other field in your account. So lots of ways to see subsets of your contracts. And all of this is then super easy to report on. Once you have the right information on this page, it's super easy to download or email out all of that information that's showing in a spreadsheet. And then the third page is where you go to see the details for each individual contract. So let's say I want to see this promissory note. I can click anywhere on this line and it takes me to what we call the contract page. And this is a single place where you have at your fingertips everything associated with this individual contract. It pulls together a bunch of stuff that is normally all over the place. Of course, you have the document itself that's front and center. Over on the left is this area where you can see and manage all the key information and dates. We come out of the box ready to go with features and fields like your party information and full date management. So here you can manage all of your dates and easily set up email reminders to be sent out automatically. Plus, you can add any additional fields that you want to see right here in this section. Down at the bottom right, you have a notes section. That's pretty self-explanatory. Just jot down things that you want to keep top of mind, present on this page. And then finally, on the bottom left, you have the attachments section under related documents. And This is a place where you can save all those ancillary documents, statements of work orders, W-9, certificates of insurance, drafts, amendments, all that stuff you normally have to go searching for in a folder somewhere else. Now it all lives right on this one page. And this page is designed to live all the way through the whole workflow of the contract. It starts at the beginning with an initial draft, if you'd like. When you're ready to get a contract approved, you can get it approved directly from this page. And then once it's approved, you can get it signed using our own e-signature feature as well. And then finally, one note on support. We include full support with all of our subscriptions. All of our customers have a dedicated customer success manager on our team. They help with all the onboarding and training and to help you get going quickly. And then once you're using the site and you're in the site, you also have access to our help center where you can chat with our team real time, search our knowledge base, take guided tours, sign up for live training webinars. So again, we include full support. It's all included for no additional fee. We don't charge setup or implementation fees like a lot of other folks that you see out there. All right. Well, thank you again for taking some time to listen to me, to see ContractSafe. Hopefully you have seen that it is easy and affordable. And if you'd like any additional information, please go to our website, contractsafe.com, or email us at sales@ContractSafe. We would love to meet with you, show you the site in more detail, and talk further about whether we're a good fit to help with your needs. Thank you so much.